Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yo. I hope you are doing great. Today I'm coming with a different video. I know it's been a long time since I've recorded a video. Let's just keep that. Don't hate me for that. I'm back and better. So this hair that I'm wearing right here is a synthetic wig and it's from ReadyWig, this amazing company. I don't know how they found me. They are so freaking nice. They reached out to me and they decided to bless me with a wig.
All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.
Okay, I'm not tripping when I say that the packaging is cute. The box is pretty cute. And when you first open it, this is what you see. They got me this bottle to put any product of my choice in it, plus this cap to keep the hair safe, and this little flower to be cutie, plus the amazing wig that they decided to bless me